Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make simple fondant disc decorations for your cupcakes. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. So I've got some fondant already and I've already colored it. If you want to make your own fondant, click on the link above, or you can use store-bought fondant. Okay, I'm going to knead it gently before I start to roll it out. I'm going to put some icing sugar on there. It stops it from sticking onto the work surface. I'm using a strainer, a tea strainer. I'm going to put some more icing sugar on my rolling pin and then start to roll. I need it thin but not too thin, so that I can still handle it. If you make it too thin, it can break. Make sure your surface is very clean because you can get things onto your fondant very easily. I think this about this thick. Yeah, I'll roll it out a bit more. Okay. I'm using a circle cutter for the fondant disc. So I've got this side which is plain and this fluted side. So you can choose whichever side depending on what you want to decorate. I'll start with this fluted side. Okay. Like that. It's nice and pretty. You can even add more things on top like any other fondant decorations. You can also use some stamps. I've got these stamps here and this one. And it's got a pattern. I'm going to see if it works on here. So you put the stamp on first before you cut it out. Okay, that looks nice, but I think I need to press it down a bit more. So let me try on here. Press it down. Oh, that's a lot better. And it's got that fluted side pattern. So I think I will cut using this side. Okay. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, one more. I'm going to use this heart one. Press it down and remove it. Of course, you can use fondant of any shade. You can color your fondant any color. Okay. So now I'm going to put this fondant to the side and decorate some cupcakes. I'm making my fondant toppers now and using them now, but you can actually make them in advance if you want so that they can have a bit of time to harden. So I'm just going to place this to the side and I'm going to decorate some cupcakes that I've already baked. I'm going to have my plate. Okay. I'm going to start from the outside and go to the center. For this one, I'm going to start in the center. I'm using a 2D piping nozzle for this one. And for this one, I think I'll start again from the outside. Okay. Now, I'm going to add my toppers. I'll put the plain one in the middle and this hot one on there, and finally this one. Isn't that so pretty? That's it. Nice and simple. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.